All right, let's get started. So I'm sure that some of you, if not most of you, already have access to Xcode and may have even been playing around with Swift and Playground since WWDC a few weeks ago. But I wanted to make sure we started at the very beginning, just in case we have some newcomers who may not be as familiar with developing for the Apple ecosystem. So if you already have access to these tools and you've already gone through this process, feel free to skip ahead, but I did want to make sure to take each step of the process together just so that we cover all of our bases and nobody gets left behind. So we are going to start at developer.apple.com, and this is the go-to resource for us as developers on the Apple ecosystem for everything. There's incredible member forums. There's all kinds of videos. All of the session videos from WWDC this year and years prior are here. We have access to beta releases of software, including Xcode, which is the IDE for Apple development. Now, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and Apple has gone through great pains to make Xcode as good as it can be for us, and it keeps getting better. So at the time of this recording, we are going to be downloading Xcode 6 Beta 2, and I'm sure that that will change throughout the life of this tutorial, and I'll be updating it as we go. But once you're at developer.apple.com, to get to Xcode, we need to access the Member Center. Log in with your Apple developer account, and over here on the left, under Technical Resources and Tools, we want to click iOS. Now, when you get to the iOS launch page, it's going to default you to iOS 7 SDK, where you have access to Xcode 5, but we're looking for Xcode 6. So we are going to hit iOS 8 Beta 2, and down here under all these download warnings, here it is. This is what we're looking for. So Xcode 6 Beta 2 posted on June 17th, 2014, build 6A216F. This is exactly what we're looking for, and it's a pretty big download, so go ahead and hit download Xcode, grab your coffee, and put your feet up for a minute. We will resume as soon as the internet allows.